It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move on the bull's part from where the price was to where it closed right here. I think everybody would agree that this was a good move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right down here at $3.15. Why is $3.15 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 315. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That is literally putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of today. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just say it pulls back, bounces around, and then heads back up. So after a relatively drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's just going to make progress. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying that statement, make progress, as $3.15. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this is going to continue to fight upwards, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? As things stand right now, I don't think the price quite hit it today. Nope, still got a little ways to go. Right up there at about $3.55. Next key overall area. You can see quite a bit of price congestion around this area throughout the past history of the chart. But as it stands right now, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a top priority. Top priority, building higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases over time, that implies that the price will drift upwards. And with those higher bases, the chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So nice way to start off the week. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.